Hi, welcome to Cleaning is My Therapy. I am just jamming out to Jelly Roll right now, and I am dancing with my dog. I'm just doing a quick tidy up throughout some of the rooms in my house that need it. And my husband is on day shift now, so this is the first time I've been home by myself in over a year. So I just felt like I just wanted to jam out. So I just pulled up some of my favorite music and I just blared the surround sound and just started cleaning, dancing a little bit. But overall, I am just having a good time cleaning my house. So I hope you guys join me and tackle your houses. Just pop me up on your computer, your TV, and just clean with me. So I'm not going to talk a whole lot through this video. I'm going to play some music, lots of music, and hopefully it's like good cleaning music for you guys, and it helps you get in the mood to clean and just have a fantastic and a good day as well.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
So my rose bushes are just kind of hanging out on this table by the front door. I need to get them planted. It had been pretty cold. We had a freeze a few weekends ago, but now the temperatures are getting back up into the 60s and 70s, so the freeze is over, so it is safe to get those planted. So I'm going to try to get those planted over the weekend.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason
really don't know what happened to the rest of the footage of me cleaning the rest of my windows, but I did clean them, but I just don't know what happened.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's why I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic rest of your week, and have a good weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.